Today, we will talk about how to clean epoxy countertops. Let's have a look at the details. Epoxy countertops are antibacterial and built to withstand regular use. And as long as you have the right materials, cleaning epoxy countertops is simple and effective. You can perform surface cleaning, polish the countertop surface, and get rid of scratches or marring to maximize your countertop's durability. With care and routine cleaning, your countertop will stay in good condition for years. The first method is cleaning best practices. Clean your countertop with dish soap or a streak-free glass cleaner. You can use a cleaner marketed as leaving no streaks or pH-balanced dish soap. Put a few drops of cleaner on a washcloth, or dip the cloth in warm water. Wipe the countertop with the washcloth to help maintain its natural shine. Remove stains with an acetone-based nail polish remover. Nail polish removers containing acetone can remove stubborn food stains like coffee, red wine, and berries. Dip a washcloth in nail polish remover and rub the stain away in circular motions. If the stain doesn't lift easily, apply more pressure as you rub. Shine your countertop with mineral oil. Pour a dime-sized amount of food-safe mineral oil on a washcloth. Rub it into your countertop using a circular motion until you give the entire surface an extra gloss. Remove mild marring with dish soap or acetone. Apply dish soap to a washcloth and rub at the marred surface in circular motions. For persistent marring, apply acetone to a sponge or light-duty scrubber and use mild pressure to remove the marring. Clean spills immediately when they happen. Wipe away any food spills with a washcloth or paper towel. Apply baking soda or a mild countertop cleaner to your washcloth to help prevent the spills from staining. And the second method is polishing or repairing damage. Put on safety goggles and a respirator. Your goggles and respirators will protect your eyes and lungs while you polish the countertop. If you're sensitive to loud noises, put in earplugs as well. Apply coin-sized circles of polishing paste to the countertop surface. Dab polishing paste in a circular motion along the surface of the epoxy countertop. Do not rub the polish into the surface yet, as you will do so while buffing the countertop. Choose a polishing paste specifically made for epoxy or laminate countertops. Add extra polishing paste onto the countertop scratches. For scratches in your epoxy countertop, apply a polishing paste along the width of the scratch in several dots. The dots should have the same approximate diameter as the scratch. You can buy polishing pastes from most home improvement stores. Polish your epoxy countertop with a buffer attachment. Purchase or rent a polishing buffer drill attachment and attach it over your drill bit. Turn the drill on to a low or medium speed and polish the surface in circular motions. Using circular motions will prevent the buffer from leaving a pattern on the surface. Wipe away the polish residue with a damp cloth. After buffing the countertop, get a washcloth wet with warm water and dish soap. Use it to spot clean any excess polish that the buffer didn't remove. Dry the countertop with a cloth. Leaving the countertop to air dry can result in unsightly watermarks. Use a dry cloth to get rid of residual water after you've removed all of the polish. Apply a coating of liquid countertop polish after drying the countertop. Liquid polish helps retain the surface's luster after buffing and protects against stains or scratches. Spray the liquid polish along its surface and wipe away the excess with a dry cloth. Generally, you will only need to apply one coating of countertop polish. Reapply the liquid polish every few weeks. Countertop polish generally wears off and must be applied every several weeks. Spray more liquid polish whenever the first coat wears off, or your countertop looks dull. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.